To create a reflection and have a contractor update part of your project and then manage it coming back into the system, we right click, go create reflection, you can see the little question mark here changes the status to a what if status, and the source project, which is up the top here, says that this reflection, which has been added on the end here to the title, is actually a reflection of this source project just here. If this column isn't displayed on your system, right click in the area up the top, go columns, customize, come into the general area, and down to source project, use the arrow to push it across, push the ID up so it's close together, hit apply, and then you'll have the source column displayed. Once you've created the reflection, you'll want to renumber it so it's the same number ID with a -1 at the end, or -2 or 3, whatever, for the number of reflections you're using. Send this out to your contractor by exporting it. So you'll need to open the project first, the reflection project that is. Okay, and you'll go File, Export, 8.2, Project, export it out to the directory you want it to be, hit Finish. The other option is to go File, Send Project, which will create a little XCR file for you, and then you can email it to your contractor for them to update and then send back to you. So now that we're in the reflection project and we say to ourselves, well, we want to update this one as being 15, and in actual fact this particular activity doesn't belong to that WBS code, it belongs to the mine WBS code. Now you've got 4 versus 2. The contractors come in and updated durations, updated percent completes, updated start dates or actual start dates and actual finish dates, as the case may be, and they've completed all of their work. They will then send the project back to you for importing into your reflection file, which is the next step of using reflections, of bringing in the contractor's schedule, and then we will merge that back into the master file. The contractor has now sent you back their XCR file, so you want to come into your reflection file, go Open Project. As you can see, this is the original file that was sent to them. You then go File, Import, choose their project, which is that one just there. That's the XCR that was sent back to you from the contractor. You want to use the Update Existing Project. You do not want to use Replace Existing or Ignore or whatever. Go Update Existing Project. And you're updating TMP3-1, which is this file we're currently looking at. Go Next, Next, Finish. As you can see, this contractor has moved the bits and pieces around and updated some of the statuses to 50% complete and bits and pieces. We now want to merge this back into the original project. So we want to go right click, merge reflection into source project, and you'll come up with this sheet, and what you will see is this activity number 4 has had an actual start updated to that date. It's had a % complete added in as well. And this activity has had an actual start date. And this activity, number 7, was reassigned from one WBS code, this code, to this WBS code. You can untick all of these, and you can actually choose which ones you want to selectively agree to re-import. If you agree with all of it, double click there, it'll highlight the whole lot. When you're merging, make sure you also think about the options of creating a copy as a baseline or creating a backup file, which I recommend that you do, and that you keep the reflection, delete the reflection, or replace the reflection. In most cases, once you've done it, you can just delete the reflection. But we'll leave it there as keep. Well, actually, we'll mark it as delete for the video. Now go merge changes. You can see both the projects are currently locked out right now while this is occurring. The reflection is deleted. Now when I open up this project, the changes that were done, the 50%, are now being merged in, and actual start dates have also been applied. So that is the reflection process.